Hello my lovely Minjions! Minjions 여러분 안녕하세요. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to pronounce 10 car brand names in Korean. But before we get started, I would like to thank the sponsor of today's video. It is italki. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. italki is an online language learning platform. They have this huge database of all the teachers that you can imagine for almost every single language under the sun. I mean, I try to learn French language, and you guys know that I'm still learning French language, right? J'ai dit le français? Anyway, when I try to learn French language using italki, I was blown away by its quality because it was so good. And I also was blown away by its prices. I mean, the prices are very cheap because the teachers set their own prices. And you can learn it, you can learn the language anywhere, anytime, any day of the week. So it is very convenient. And also, they've given me a special offer to pass on to you guys. So you can get $10 worth of italki credits for free when you sign up and make your first $10 purchase. All you have to do is click on the link in the description box. If you're interested in, please go check out. I highly recommend this italki. Well, then let's get started with the lesson. Number 1. Korean car brand. I've heard so many variations of this word in English like Hyundai or Hyundai, but in Korean, the correct pronunciation is Hyundai. 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 So you might heard Hyundai 자동차. Hyundai 자동차. Hyundai. And next one, another Korean brand. It is Chevrolet in English, but in Korean language, it is Chevrolet. Chevrolet. The B sound. Chevrolet. 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 And the next one, number 3, is a German brand. Audi. Audi. In Korean, it is Audi. Audi. 3 syllables. Audi. Audi. And the next one, another German brand. Porsche. It is Porsche in Korean language. Porsche, 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 Porsche. Alright, and the next one. This one might be the most weird pronunciation in today's video. In German, people would say Volkswagen, right? Volkswagen. When I had nothing to know about cars, like when I had no idea about the cars back in the day, I thought it was Volkswagen. But anyway, it is Volkswagen. But in Korean language, there is no F sound and there is no V sound. So its pronunciation in Korean language is, don't be surprised, it is Volkswagen. 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 F becomes P sound, Volks, Volks, and V becomes B sound, Wagen, Wagen, Volkswagen. Volkswagen. Another car brand that Koreans pronounce quite differently. It is Mercedes-Benz in English, right? But in Korean language, it is Mercedes-Benz. 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 Alright, and move on to the next. We've got this one. Ferrari. Ferrari. I'm trying to pronounce this one. Ferrari. In Korean, it is Ferrari. Again, there is no F sound, so it is Ferrari. 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 Alright, and the next one is a very expensive car brand. A lot of people might say Lamborghini or Lamborghini, but I've heard that the correct pronunciation in English is Lamborghini. And in Korean language, it is Lamborghini. 5 syllables. Lamborghini. 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 Next one, Volvo. Volvo is Volvo. 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 There is no V sound, so it is Volvo. Volvo. Alright, and the next, we've got this one, Aston Martin. It is ASTON Martin in Korean. ASTON Martin. ASTON Martin. Aston Martin. Aston Martin. Alright, and the next one is Ford. It is Ford. 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 So for example, Ford Mustang. Ford Mustang. Ford Mustang. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. And also, I've got Facebook, I've got Instagram, I've got my Twitter, so you can connect with me on all of my social media. Then I'll see you soon for another lesson. 그러면 다음 시간에 만나요. 안녕!